Yeah,
Yes.
Sweetheart. He's excellent.
Yes.
She's been in the garden with me.
Girl.
Has been a while because she was just.
Yes, good
spayed,
girl.
right? So I
Sorry, I'm listening to you. But I'm also.
Yep.
Yes, good girl.
She's wrong. She doesn't mean to be, but she could really hurt you.
Yes, good girl. So right there, I was just trying to. Do you use a marker word? I'm saying yes. Do you ever use a marker?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, yeah. I thought you did. Yeah.
I do that, and I use a clipper
Yes,
sometimes.
good girl. Yeah.
I got so many hands.
Yeah. Well, so that right there is just kind of a. Yeah.
I use that, and you know,
Yes, good girl. And do you pair it with reinforcement?
lots of times, not always.
Yeah.
Sometimes, yes.
Yes, good girl. So what's nice about this, Pat, is that it can be. Yes, good girl. It can be like an interrupter before she has a chance to react. Now, distance always plays a role.
Yeah.
Always. And reading her body language. Oh, you see a ball in there? Learning to read and understand.
Excuse me.
Having a dog that is really